Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. Bitcoin right now hovering at about 57,700. We saw a little bit of a sell-off yesterday, and now we're seeing that price start to move back to the upside. So I think we had like a wick all the way down to like $55,000. So we're seeing some price fluctuations here as the prices continue to recover, probably back up to that $60,000 area. But we just have to remain a little bit of patience in this market, as always. And we have our first article here we're going to go over and then take a look at the charts. Elon Musk cryptocurrency is promising, but please invest with caution. So Elon kind of bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin too as well. Let's see what he has to say. But let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, folks. Hit the notification bell. If you really want to help support the channel, check the links in the description box below. We keep all of our videos ad-free for you on YouTube as of right now. So thanks for being here and supporting. And then also, if you want to check out the private trading group page, we use Patreon as a payment processor, but everything that we post for our private members is located on Discord. So make sure that you have a Discord username when you sign up through Patreon. All right, and so let's take a look here. We're taking a look at our article here. Elon Musk bullish on cryptocurrency, but says you need to invest with caution. Elon, CEO of Tesla SpaceX, has a key proponent in the largest surge of interest in Dogecoin, according to analysts, as he consistently tweets about the cryptocurrency. But ahead of his appearance on Saturday Night Live on NBC in May 8th, Musk had a new message for his 53 million Twitter followers. Cryptocurrency is promising, Musk wrote on Friday, but please invest with caution. And so, yeah, he is making that appearance tonight, I believe, or maybe tomorrow. I think it's, so today's Friday, but I think the Saturday Night Live premiere will be tomorrow. Obviously, probably more or less with a skit of shilling Dogecoin. So that'll be a fun skit to probably watch and just see how prices react based on the skit, if it continues to pump or if we see a little bit of a sell-off. So this has been kind of hype before it's actually happened. And a lot of people know that the quote is buy the rumor, sell the news. And so, obviously people are going to continue to pump the price until the day that the news breaks. And let's see what happens tomorrow. See if that's going to happen or not. If Doge maybe hits $1 by tomorrow, that could definitely be in the works. Okay. Musk also linked a video to an interview he did on TMZ on February, where he expressed the same sentiment. People should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency. To be clear, Musk told TMZ that's unwise, but he said, if you want to speculate and have some fun, there's a good chance that crypto in the future currency is the future currency of Earth. Then it's like, which one is it going to be? Maybe there will be a multiple, but it's all speculative at this point. While most do not see cryptocurrency as the future reserve currency, experts agree that those buying it should only invest in what they could afford to lose, because their value doesn't really correspond the same underlying source of value, such as real estate or profits or interest. There is almost no way to predict whether they will go up or down at any given moment. James Ledbetter, editor of fintech newsletter Fin and CNBC, it's a pure speculation. Musk is particularly as supported Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, which portrays a Shinu Ibu dog. As told TMZ, the point is that Doge was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. He told TMZ, fate loves irony. What would be the most ironic outcome? The currency that started as a joke, in fact, becomes real currency to the moon. Interesting. Though all cryptocurrencies are risky and volatile, Ledbetter notes that when buying Dogecoin, you risk nearly all the money you put in. He says it has no intrinsic value, and it could just as easily come crashing down, and the price continues to go up. Okay, so yeah, and I think that Dogecoin is just a big blowback to the financial system, honestly, because it was just started as a joke, and then now we're starting to see it kind of take off. It does more or less just seem like this is a huge blowback for people that just know that the system is obviously falling apart, right? And I think that this just goes to show that, people are looking for an outlet. They're not believing in the old monetary systems anymore, to be exact. And so, Dogecoin to the freaking moon. If that's what happens, that's what happens. If we see Doge at $1 by tomorrow, that'll be outstanding, and if it goes past that, then hey, hoorah for all those people that are holding Doge out there. So, And I just like, it's absolutely incredible to see this, Elon Musk and the power that he portrays over the people that are investing not only in his company but in cryptocurrencies as well, and to see them invest in a meme coin, a joke coin, but also show that how fragile our financial system is right now, when it comes to people just throwing money at whatever, trying to get some type of return. So all right, let's take a look at the charts here, and we'll hop over there and see what's happening. All right, folks, so taking a look at the daily chart here, we're taking a look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a sideways adjustment as of right now. We had our little parabolic move to the upside here and touched all the way at about $58,000. And now we're seeing some sideways action and still hovering right underneath that $58,000 level right now. So Bitcoin, $57,800. Let's see if we can break through 58. That's what we're kind of eyeing at right now. Let's see. So if we taking a look at the daily here, just to break this down, we're holding above our 21 EMA as support. We are still seeing the dual band indicator, strength indicator, give us a 13 on the bullish signal here. So bulls are outweighing the bears as of right now with this candle. And that's gonna definitely consume, with the market cipher B also showing us a green dot, possibly some more momentum to the upside there too as well. Let's kind of zoom in here. I want to take a look at the 6 hour. 6 hour, what I'm noticing here is that we were getting some resistance for ourselves at that $58,000 level. We had some trouble breaking through it, or right at about the 57, 58 level, and we're seeing possibly another break above this trend line here, this green trend line. And I do think that we need a break through here with some amount of volume. This is the 8 hour. Let's take a look at the 6 hour. Okay, 6 hour, here we go. This is what I want to look at. We have this trend line that was tested a couple of times. We couldn't break through it. This will be our third test at it, creating that little W-shaped pattern for us. And let's see if we can end up breaking through here. So we already see some green triangles forming. That means we're breaking through our resistance trend lines. And so let's see if we can confirm this, get some nice volume behind it too as well to move back to the upside. Taking a look at market cipher here, market cipher telling us that money flow is also headed to the upside trajectory too. So I'm thinking by this weekend, I think we called it a couple videos ago, that we're looking for possibly $60,000, possibly by the weekend, maybe going on into next week. So let's see what happens. It does look like we are seeing a little bit of price fluctuation here as of right now, as bulls or bears decide to make up their mind to continue us into the weekend. Let's see what the strength indicator is. Dual band strength indicators right now to 15 with the bull count, and we are seeing a TI sequential 1 count as of right now too. So starting that bull rally possibly here in the near term future. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, see what's happening here. 4 hour green dot headed to the upside too as well. And we can also see that on our candlesticks, we came back up to retest this trend line, and now creating that kind of W-shaped pattern once again, possibly ready to continue to move up here. We wicked through our resistance trend line as well. It looks like we're probably going to continue to head up here too. So we saw the rejection before, and now we are making a nice little decent trend line here, creating another W-shaped pattern, and looks like we're probably going to continue to move up here, folks. So I'm definitely expecting probably a bullish weekend for us in the near term future. Let's see how the alts do too as well. Let's see what Doge is going to be doing. We can just glance at Doge, might as well. Let's see how Doge is. If I can find it here. Dogecoin, where are you? All right, let's take a look at Doji. All right, Dogecoin. Let's go on to the daily chart here. So daily chart with Doge, yeah, just it's still pumping as of right now. So we do see a little bit of a bearish divergence here with market cipher right now that we put in this red dot. So a bearish divergence happening here on the daily chart. We'll probably see some sell-off as tomorrow happens with Elon on Saturday Night Live. But also our smaller time frames are still wanting to probably move back to the upside here too. Let's take a look at our 2-day, 3-day. 2-day looks like we could be given a red dot here relatively soon. So we'll probably see some sideways movement. That's more or less what it's looking like. Holding nice support above the 21 EMA on the daily chart. We came back down to retest the 21 EMA a few times, and that's sitting right now at about 37 cents. So let's see what happens with Doge here in the near term future. It does look like it's probably going to hold its price at least above 50 cents as of right now. If we get a rejection by tomorrow, it looks like we could be headed back down to that maybe 40-cent area or so. But things are looking still pretty strong with Doge. I wouldn't call it quits just yet. You know, I think that Doge could definitely hit $1, possibly even $2 for the most part. One thing that I also wanted to take note of with Bitcoin, if we jump back over into Bitcoin too as well, our hash ribbons are still on a trajectory to recover here relatively soon. So we've been waiting for that to happen. And if we get that recovery with that buy signal, at $60,000, folks, it's a clean break to $80,000 easily. So, you know, $80,000 from here at about 60,000. Let's just see percentage wise what that would be. So if we take 60,000 and go up to about $80,000, you're looking at a 30% gain. And usually when our hash ribbons gives us a buy signal, those can be up to, you know, 40% gains sometimes. So I'm definitely expecting a really big rally once we get that buy signal. And the higher the price moves until we get that buy signal, the more bullish that it'll probably even be for us to continue to rally. So let's keep a close eye on these charts, folks, see what's happening. Thanks for tuning back in today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out the links in the description box below if you want to help support the channel too as well. If you want to join us over in our private trading group page, learn about some of our alts that we're accumulating right now, and definitely trying to 100x our portfolio by the end of the year, maybe even 1000x our portfolio by the end of the year. So take a look, check out us in Patreon. If you join us through Patreon, make sure that you have a Discord username, so that way you can check out all the private posts inside of the Discord page. If you have any questions, message me on Discord. I'll be available. Until then, folks, I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.